Welcome back to another video today. I'm your host Auntie G. Today we have another car, another video, another car for you guys. So we have a Smart right there. It's Smart 2013 in black. This is a small car, very small, you know. Two people barely like fit inside. Like it's I mean, these kind of cars is made for Europe where parking is limited, you know. We're in Canada. It's snowing outside. I mean, with this car, it's hard to get anywhere in this season, especially. Even if you have winter tires, you know. But let's get to it. Today, we're trying to change the starter on this car. You know, the engine on this car is located in the back. It's very hard to get, especially if you have working in the garage like this. You know, it's a small space, but I mean, it's a small car. It's not a big car. It's not taking a lot of space, but still, because it's a small car, everything is compact. So it's hard to take out things and hard to put things back. Like, let's take a look here. You know, let me put the flashlight. Like, if you see here, the alternator is located right beside, like behind the passenger seat. So basically you have to take out the back, the cover, all the covers, all the plastic, everything there, and get to the alternator. And by then, I doubt you can even like take out the alternator. You have to pull down the engine. You have to let go of the like the engine supports, bring it down a bit, then take out the alternator. So by compact, I mean like something like this, you know. It's gonna take a lot of work, a lot of hours to just get the alternator out. Like, let's check out something. Like for this project, we took out almost a lot of parts here. Like if you see, we took out the bumper, which I'm gonna explain later on in this video. We took out the tires. We took out a lot of molding plastics. What else? We took out the back. This plastic right there. This molding. What else? What else? Like if you see, the car is on jacks right now. One support here, one there. And still we have another support just in case. You always have to watch out. Safety is first, always. Watch out when you're doing work at home. This like 3 supports to get the car lifted on, and that's the start, you know, the start of the project. You have to get all things out. So get the starter replaced, you need to not take out the bumper. I see a lot of videos on this car on YouTube. They tell you to take out the bumper, the rear bumper, which is incorrect. Do not take the bumper out. It's an extra job. It's extra work. You're basically doing it for nothing. Because, let me show you here. The starter is located just right here. Just right there. Why would you take the bumper out if the starter is located right there? You know, maybe on some models, maybe it's different, but I still doubt it if it's different. You see, the starter goes right there. There's 2 holes. We take out the nuts and you take out the starter. That's it. It's not an easy job, but because it's, as I said, everything is compact and you need to like squish, get in there, you know. So I mean, let's take a look at the starter itself. This is the starter. We just got it, brand new. You could get the starter, your own starter on the car, replaced, rebuilt. There's some stores that do those kind of stuff, but it's the best always to get it brand new. I mean, rebuild can work as like brand new, but I mean, it's the best not to take a risk and to do the job all over again, you know. So let's take a look at the starter here. This is the brand new starter. We just got it, just received it. So on the previous like starter, what went wrong is usually these, because the starter is just located underneath the car, and especially in where I am in Canada, it snows a lot, right? And the snow gets underneath the car and gets rusted. This thing was completely rusted, like from here to here. And you see there's a ground wire right there, which this is in good condition right now, but there's also a plastic right there. But on mine, like the previous starter, this thing was cut off, like rusted and cut off, which is something crazy to even think about it, you know, because there's a cover right there to protect it, but still it got rusted and cut off. That's why one morning I was trying to start the car and the car was not starting. So we figure out it might be the starter, and which was the starter. So we got this baby right there and we have to replace it, which is not a very hard job. So basically you go here, there's 2 bolts, you guys see the 2 bolts right there. This thing goes in there and you just put the nuts back in, and that's it. You connect the wires and that's pretty much it. You don't need to take out the like bumper or the back, but I mean, if you're taking the back out, you might as well take the air filter out, clean it, or get a new one. Like mine is completely dirty. We need to probably get another one or wash it out if it gets washed out, and like put everything back, and this is pretty much it. This is not a serious job. You can do it at home, but always first safety first. Don't forget to put the jacks under the car and make it a clean job, you know. Hope this was a help. If you have any questions, you like the video, comment below, like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.